This video will talk you through the steps to get your UCE Plus mobile application up and running on your Android device so that you can make and receive calls. Start by heading over to the Google Play Store and searching for UCE Plus. At the top of the list is the iPEX UCE Plus application. Click to install on your device. Once the app is downloaded, click on the icon to open. You will now need to allow access to the app to certain elements of your device. You will see this notice. You will need to click on OK, and this will take us to the battery optimization settings for apps within the Android environment. By default, you will see everything that is not optimized. You now want to click on All Apps and navigate to the iPEX UCE Plus app, which is currently optimizing the battery use. You need to click on the app and select Don't Optimize. Press the back key and this will take you back to the login screen for the app itself. From here, you need to navigate to the settings menu via the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on Server and enter your server IP address, then click OK. If you do not have your server IP address, please contact your system administrator. Leave the port number as the default 5222 and the TLS key password field blank. Click OK to be taken back to the settings menu. Now click on the network option and toggle the first option. Use mobile network to on. This will enable mobile data usage for when there is no Wi-Fi availability. Please read the notice and be aware that this option will use your network data service and you will be charged by your network provider accordingly. You can now return to the login screen by pressing the back key. Here you will need to use your login credentials set within the user setup on the Customer Manager portal. Enter your portal ID including the customer domain and password. If you do not have your ID and password, please contact your system administrator. If you need to make a change to your presence when you first log in, select the My Presence option and select the appropriate presence status. You can also toggle Auto Login to automatically log in when you open the app. To finalise your login, select the Login button at the bottom.